Hi guys, it's time for another YouTube homework helper, and today we're going to work with fractions of a group. So let's get ready to work our brains and come on and follow me. All right, if you'll notice there are two sides. One side says watch me and the other said I'll try. So we're going to start with the watch me side. That's where I'm going to give you the example of what I'd like you to do. So I noticed the question says what fraction of the group are red circles. Now we've been working with fractions for a while, so it doesn't matter if you are dividing a shape into different parts or dividing a line into different parts. We can also divide a group of things into different parts as well. We know that the bottom number is our denominator. The denominator is how many total parts there are. So I'm going to go ahead and count my total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 total parts. Now my question wants to know, well, out of those total parts, how many of them are red circles? So I can go back and I can count my red circles. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4/9 of my fraction are red circles. All right, I want you to use that same strategy, and I want you to try the other side that says, I'll try. Pause it, come on back, and you can check it. Okay, this one says what fraction of the group are phones. So just like we done on the other side, we're going to have two parts. We'll have our denominator, which is going to be the total number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, and how many of them are phones? That's what we're looking for. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of the 11 are phones, so 6/11ths are phones. Let's try some more. All right, two sides again. Watch me. What fraction of the group are animals? Now we have to do a little bit more thinking. We can't just count. Well, first of all, we have to count the total for our denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, there are 6 total, but this time I'm looking for just the animals, so I can't count all of them. Here's a donut. That is definitely not an animal. Here's a apple. That's not an animal. I see a cat, a crab, a snake, and a fish. That is 4 animals. So 4/6 of the objects that are there are animals. Let's try your side now. All right, pause the video, check it, and we'll come on back. Okay, did you go ahead and count your total number of objects? 1, so we could get our denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, there are 7 total, and you're looking for how many are hearts. Here's a heart, and here's a heart. Did you come up with 2/7 are hearts? I hope so. Let's try another one. Okay, here's the watch me side. This is done a little differently because now there aren't pictures, but there's words. It says what fraction of the group are girls? So we're going to use the same strategy in which we have a numerator and a denominator. So we're going to have to figure out how many total people are there for my denominator. Let's see, I have Leon, I have Shelly, Kim, Barbara, Ned, Katie, and Laura. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a total of 7 people. All right, but how many of these are girls? Let's see. Shelly is a girl, Barbara is a girl, Kim is a girl, Katie is a girl, and Laura is a girl. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 check marks. So 5/7 of my group are girls. All right, let's reveal your side. All right, do the same thing I did, and then we'll check it together, okay? All right, this says what fraction of the group are food. So to start off with, we need to find out how many total things there are. Notice there are 3 cookies, 1 plate, 2 napkins, and 2 candy canes. So my total is the 3 and 1, which is 4, 2 more is 5, 6, 7, 8. So my total objects are 8. Now I need to know, well, how many of these are actually foods? Well, the cookies are food. So the 3 cookies are food, and the 2 candy canes are food. So with 3 and 2, that means 5/8 of the objects are actually food objects. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, again, we're looking at another one that is the fraction of the objects. This is the fraction of the group. We want to know what are toys. All right, so let's count our total to get the denominator. Let's see, we have a doll, a beach ball, that's 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are a total of 7 objects, but the question asks me to tell how many of them are actually toys, things that people play with. So I have the doll, the beach ball, the computer game, and that's going to be all. So 3/7 of those are actually something that people would play with. All right, you try your side. And then come on back and we'll check it. Okay, it says what fraction of the group are clothes. So now we're looking for clothes. All right, we've got 2 shorts. We've got 1 brush, 3 dresses, and 1 purse. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a total of 7. And how many are clothes? We have 2 shorts and 3 dresses. So that means that we have 5/7 are clothes. The other objects are not clothes. So the fraction of the group that are clothes are 5/7. Fantastic. I love this. What part of you is amazing? 1 whole. Great job. And I hope that you are getting a stronger brain. Until next time, bye-bye.